I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti sauce with evaporated milk. This easy method transforms a classic dish into a rich, creamy delight that your whole family will love. We will go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to serving a delicious meal. You will be surprised at how simple it is to achieve such a satisfying and flavorful result using just a few key components. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 pound of your preferred ground meat, whether that is beef or turkey. Also, have 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic ready. For the base, grab 1 15-ounce can of your favorite tomato sauce. And of course, the star ingredient, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, will provide that wonderful creaminess. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your ground meat in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, cooking until the onion is translucent and the meat is fully cooked. Be sure to drain any excess fat. Next, stir in the 15-ounce can of tomato sauce and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. Finally, slowly incorporate the 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, stirring continuously to ensure a smooth, creamy texture. To finish our delicious sauce, it is time to season it perfectly. Add salt, black pepper, and a generous amount of Italian herbs to taste. Allow the sauce to simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring all the flavors meld beautifully and it is thoroughly heated. Serve this rich, creamy spaghetti sauce generously over your preferred cooked pasta. A sprinkle of fresh basil or grated Parmesan cheese makes a wonderful garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.